Hi, I'm Jonna. I am here with the Glycolic Lotion Skin Peel, both the 5 and 10%. The Glycolic Lotion Skin Peel boosts cell turnover, improves skin clarity, and reduces the appearance of large pores. It gives you a brightened and more even skin tone and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Glycolic acid dissolves the intercellular glue that binds dead skin cells together, reducing buildup. And then it also activates your skin's own hyaluronic acid. The metadermobolic enzyme protein complex contains B vitamins, elastin, and collagen, and it helps to speed up the skin's metabolism. How do you use the glycolic lotion? You're gonna cleanse, you're not going to tone, and then you're gonna use the glycolic lotion. You're gonna start off with the lower percentage and then build your way up to 10% unless you are used to having glycolic peels. You're gonna use about a nickel size amount. You will feel some tingling. It's best when you start off using it 1 time a week and then gradually add it in up to 3 times per week. If you have been receiving glycolic peels at your spa, this is a great item to have at home to continue the results of that glycolic peel. It also is a good item if you cannot get to the spa, that you could be safely using glycolic at home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.